Hi, Duncan here. Got some really great frequently asked questions that I've got some answers to. So let me go with the first one here. What is the cost of windows and doors? So we carry a wide variety of vinyl, fiberglass windows, and they come in all kinds of ranges. But on average, when we look at all of our sales over the years, an average window in vinyl runs somewhere between about $600 and $1,200, obviously depending on size. We got windows that are this big, we got windows that are 10 feet wide. So you can see the same thing with doors. A 6-foot patio door obviously costs a lot less than a 12-foot patio door, but on average, our doors range between $2,500 and $5,000. Now, within those price ranges, you get to determine what you want in those windows and doors. Do you want grids? Do you want sculptured grids, flat grids, marginal grids? Do you want to go with custom colors on the outside, which add to the price of the window? Do you want regular glass? Do you want extra thick glass? Do you want low E glass? Do you want low E max? Do you need to have tempered glass to meet some of the fire codes depending on where you live? So as you can see, there are a lot of options that go into making these prices. We're not pulling this off of a shelf. We're making it for your home. Can the design and style be customized to match my home? Absolutely. You choose the type of window that you like, whether you like a vinyl window or a fiberglass window. You choose the application, whether it would be a retrofit application, whether it be a new construction application. You choose the color, whether it be a white window inside and out, a tan window inside and out, or a different color exterior, a different color interior. We have black bean over black bean. There's all kinds of things you can do. You choose the glass options, you choose grid options or no grid options, you choose the operation, whether it be a sliding window, a single hung window, a casement window that cranks out to the outside, a picture window for a great view of the ocean or the hills. So yes, you basically pick everything a la carte, and we come up with a window that's designed specifically for you. Another great question here. How long will the installation process take? Depending on what type of installation you're having, whether it be a replacement window, a retrofit application, or a new construction application, those will vary greatly. But if we're talking about strictly a retrofit replacement window, on average, an average window takes us about an hour. Sometimes they take 30 minutes, sometimes they take 2 hours, but on average, we can do about 8 windows in a house in one day with one crew. Sliding glass doors, average doors take us a half a day. So we can do about 2 doors in a day. Larger doors, different kinds of doors, in-swing, out-swing French doors can change the amount of time, but typically an hour per window and 4 hours per door for average stuff. Next, great question. What are the color and finish options that are available? White, which is our most popular seller. Tan, which fits into a lot of color schemes. It can look really good if you have any sort of green color palettes on your house, any sort of beiges, tans, all of the earth tones look really good with that. We've got silver, classic brown, espresso, bronze, and we have black and capstock. If you live in an HOA, for example, and you are trying to replace existing aluminum windows that are anodized bronze aluminum, which is a dark color, most of the times the HOA will not let you put a white window in. And so doing a classic brown or an espresso or a bronze, usually your HOA will approve that, and you can get nice dual pane vinyl or fiberglass windows, energy efficiency, sun control, and all of the things you've been looking for. Are there any current promotions or discounts available? Yes! What a great answer. Currently, we're offering $500 off 5 or more windows installed, but we always have promotions on, so contact us for information. We do everything we can to be as competitive in the market as we can possibly be, and I spend a lot of my time doing battle so that I can get you the best pricing possible. Another great question here. Can I see samples or examples of installed windows and doors? Absolutely you can. I have forgotten how many windows and doors that we've sold and installed, but it's into the hundreds and hundreds of thousands. We have reference sheets that have people that are happy to talk to you about installations we've done, and we've probably got someone very close to you. So give us a call to find that out. We also have 3 or 4 showrooms that you can come and take a look at how products look. And our experts that come to your home bring all kinds of samples which they can hold up into your existing openings so that you can see how they'll look on the inside and the outside of the home. It's a really great way to get a visual on how the new windows or doors are going to look. Another good question here, do the windows come with built-in UV protection? As I've said before, you get to choose how your windows are made. The glass options are completely optional, but I would say that we sell 95% of our windows these days with either low E or low E max, which is a UV blocker. So when you're trying to stop that sunlight, as I'm looking at over there right now, coming in on your south and west facing elevations that take all the color out of your carpets and your hardwood floors and your furniture and your pictures on the wall, it's a really great option. In fact, in order to be current with today's standards, using low E glass is pretty much mandatory for where we are. Yes, absolutely. And we've got multiple different levels of UV protection available for you.